Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to add desktop icons on Windows 11. First thing first, click the Start button or press the Windows key on your keyboard to open the Start menu. Now find the application you want to create a desktop shortcut for. Right-click on the app, then select Open File Location. This will open the folder that contains the shortcut to the app. Now in the folder that opens, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, then right-click on the app's shortcut icon. From the menu, select Send to, then Desktop. Create shortcut. Your new app shortcut will now appear on your desktop. If you don't see any icons on your desktop, they might be hidden. Just right-click anywhere on the desktop and go to View, then Show Desktop Icons. Now all your desktop icons should be visible. You can click and drag icons anywhere on your desktop for better organization. Group them by category. And keep related icons together helps you find what you need faster and maintain a clearer workspace. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.